Alright y'all, so by popular demand I'm making this video to show you guys how to do one of these man buns. So with no further ado, here we go. I slept on this one last night, as you can see, so this won't do. Gonna go to step one. So as you can see, I have a pretty significant amount of hair. Yeah, it's down beyond in the way. So what you want to do first is find the center of the top of your head. And we're going to need a ponytail holder for this, or a scrunchie. You can find them at your Walmart, Dollar General, beauty supply store, whatever. And you're going to gather all your hair to the top and apply that scrunchie. Now, if it's off center a little bit, it will make a difference in where your bun sits, so it's kind of important to make sure we get it centered. Okay, it's pretty close. We want to make sure we get all the hair through the ponytail holder. It'll come back to bite you if you don't. And then we're gonna split the hair into halves. Divide it up. Try to get it as even as possible. You can kind of feel how much you have in each section. And you just want to even it out. Make sure you have equal amounts of hair on both sides. Where does that sound familiar from? Okay, so once you got it split in half, you need to split it again. Split one of the halves in half. And again, make sure they're nice and even. Once you got your halves of a half, your quarter split nice and even, you want to take it and you want to start twisting. Now, I like to go counterclockwise because this will put a little design, a little flair to your hair once you finish. I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. Okay, so you're going to take that twist that you made and you're going to go up under your hair all the way around in a circle. But you want to make sure you go up under the hair. And at the top of your head, you should start to see a bun form. You're just going to wrap around. Almost like how you have the sock for the people that use a sock to help them create a bun. If you have enough hair, you won't need the sock. Your hair will become the sock, I promise. Okay. As you can see here, the bun is beginning to form. Never mind my grays, y'all. Got enough salt up there to keep the back of my ears dry. But yes, bun. So after you get that first layer finished, we got to come to the other side here. And we're going to split it in half the same way we did to begin with. And what I like to do, I go to opposing opposite sides. So where I started in the front for the first layer, I'm gonna go to the back right side, front left to the back right, and I'm going to go clockwise this time with my twist. Okay, watch Once you finish your twist, we're just going to go up under the hair, just like before, and under. Make sure you get the hair from the last twist that you tucked inside itself, because that's more or less what you're doing. Once you twist this around, I'm going to tuck it into itself, into the bun that I make. And whatever excess hair is left over, I just pull it through the top. And then that way, it forms a little style on the top. Once you finish layering it, you'll see. See there? I know I look like Cousin It, y'all. If you don't know who Cousin It is, you're probably too young for this channel. Huh. Okay, so as you can see, bun, layered, excess up top. You just split the remaining hair, divide it up, and we want to switch back to the front left side. We were just at the back right, so we're going to switch back. I'm sorry, it's going to be the left back side. My hair is rotated so it looks like it ended up in the front. And I'm going to twist that again counterclockwise. And I'm just going to go wrap it around my hair rather, once again, underneath all the other hair that's left over. Yeah, I'm looking in the mirror, y'all. My hands get retarded looking in the mirror. So we're gonna tuck this, pull it on through. One more. Okay, so I worked the hair that has been twisted through and gathered that all together so I could twist my last layer to my bun. Which way? Okay, I'm trying to go clockwise, y'all. Wait a minute, that ain't even clockwise. Okay, here we go. Your other clockwise. I'm gonna twist that on up. The better twist you do, the more stylish it kind of looks when you wrap it around. Okay, last layer, y'all. Pull it on around. Make sure you leave enough room to tuck it in. Once you tuck it, pull it on through. I've been growing about 7 years, y'all, 8. So it's long and strong. So, and there you have it. I'm gonna get rid of the little baby bird syndrome. One moment. Get us a nice rag, scarf rather. I like the plain ones. We're just gonna wrap it on up. And tuck the sides in, and there you have it. And get rid of that salt, but there you go. And there we have it, folks. Tucked in.